Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to request a payment via Payoneer. Firstly, log into your Payoneer account. If you don't have one, sign up. On the left-hand menu, click on Get Paid and select Request a Payment. If the client is already saved in your contacts, type their name or select them from the most recent list, then click Next. Click Add New Payer and choose the payer, type either company or individual. Enter the client's details, including the name, website, and URL for comparing, and email and country, then click Next to save. Specify the amount you wish to receive and select the currency. Add a brief description of the payment purpose like consulting, services, payment, or something else. Choose the date by which you would like to be paid. This will serve as a reference for any automatic payment reminders. Just click Next to proceed. Before sending, click Preview to see how the payment request will appear to your client. Once ready, click Request Payment. Your client will receive the request along with all the payment details. And that's it, guys. Requesting payments on Payoneer is straightforward and professional. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.